Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the live. First, before I start off, I want to thank the guys that joined me on Patreon over the weekend. I want to say welcome to Richard, Mark, and Stephen. These are guys that joined me over the last couple of days on Patreon. And as you guys know, I did share an article as how to read earnings report. Think you guys should definitely check out that article exclusively on Patreon. I did take a look at it last night, and it do really show you how to read earning report. So, guys, I want to move ahead quickly. I have a lot of things to cover this morning. First of all, we know Wells Fargo just reported, and I'm just finished listening to Jim Cramer and Jeff Marks talk about Wells Fargo. The thing that one of the two banks that they have in the portfolio is Wells Fargo and Morgan Stanley, and they still think that Wells Fargo is the better bank. But as we know, guys, if you're looking at your portfolio this morning, you could see that we're in green. It's not something I don't get overexcited. As Jim said, he's a rally that you cannot trust. There might be a pullback. So if you're thinking about buying Wells Fargo, they're saying maybe you could buy it on a pullback. One more thing is that the club. So let me just pull up as I'm talking to you guys. Let me just go to Wells Fargo here. So it's at what, $44.33. It's up a little bit. I think it's up like 2% today. So you may want to wait on a pullback because I said we cannot trust this rally. So this is the first stock I want to talk to you about. Also, the club decided that they are selling a stock now, and they're selling this stock because of all the stuff that is happening with tech. So I kind of want to just pull up the stock that they were selling. It's AMD. Yeah, I had that stock a while back. AMD as well, so they're saying because PC is very weak and all the stuff that happened with PC, the club is selling AMD. I have a lot of shares of Nvidia. It's into that stuff like Nvidia, AMD, and all that stuff. So I'm still holding on to my Nvidia, but they are selling a little bit. They're not selling all, but they kind of, with the rally now, they're taking the time to kind of reduce the risk. So they're not saying go ahead and sell all your AMD, because if you sell all, you never know when things gonna come back and you will miss the rally if it really happens. So it might be if you have a lot of AMD and you're trying to raise a couple of cash, waiting for an opportunity somewhere else, that might be the way to go. So then they talk about a couple more stocks that I'm definitely gonna share with you. They still think Amazon is pretty strong, and they think that Amazon is a good stock. I definitely think so. So I think that we should be looking at Amazon. Right now, Amazon is still at what, 112, man. So that you're getting a great opportunity to get in to buy Amazon. So consider it. I'm not saying you have to do it today. As Jim says, he doesn't believe the rally will withstand. If it's something that you need to sell right now, you could wait for a pullback. So companies like Amazon and Google, they're definitely saying that you could buy some of that. So the next stock we're going to talk about is Apple. As you know, Jim always say Apple trade it, don't sell it. So I have substantial shares of Apple myself. So I think it is a great stock. And as Jim was saying this morning, that a lot of people think they could get in and get back out, get in, get back out, but we not sure that we could do that with Apple. So they're saying that Apple is still one of the stronger techs in terms of, it being a very strong company. Jim also think that Meta, which is Facebook platform, he think they're getting a raw deal. But he think that it is a good, he's not saying buy it, but he's saying that he doesn't understand why Meta platform, which also known as Facebook, why it's getting such a raw deal, and it's they're really hard on it. And let me look at Meta platform. So Meta platform is what, 131. I remember that stock used to be like a $256 stock. So consider that. Also, they're saying that Microsoft is very strong. So that's a stock again I could buy back. I knew I had that a while ago and I did sell some of it. But if I get the opportunity, I will kind of get back into that stock. So, as I said, Microsoft, and these are serious companies that you know, like a year from now, 2 years from now, you will be in very good company. Let me just take a look at this one. This is like $236 right now per share. So you could still wait, as I said, because nobody trusts this rally, what is happening. Nobody knows what's happening. So it's up, what, like 1%, up $7 today. If I'm going to buy this, I am definitely going to wait for a pullback. So, but thank you guys. I said before, the one stock again I want to talk about before I go here. It's a stock they believe in very much. As you know, they always talk about Eli Lilly. They believe that Eli Lilly is one of the best healthcare stocks. I think that's a $300 stock. They think with everything happening with Eli Lilly and its diabetic drug, it's a great stock. But the number one stock they're talking about right now is TJX. And I just want to share TJX with you. And we're going to have a little talk about TJX before we close off here. So as you can see, TJX is at what, $65 right now, guys. With everything, they think TJX is really a stock. I think they had an analyst says that the price target gave TJX a price target of $80. So again, you don't trust the rally. They're saying you could buy TJX here. Me, I would kind of wait to see what happening. If there's a rally, because if you could get like $2 or $3 off the price, that will be good. So we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow because we had all these one-day rallies. So we don't know what's going to happen. So guys, I will just hold on to my cash and wait for like a pullback. We don't like buying things when things are up. And then this is a company you could get into. You could buy some TJX. So once again, thank you, Richard. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Stephen, for joining me. And I think I have to share some more stuff with you guys. Just if you guys looking, just look out for another article that I'm gonna send out to you today, guys. And if you want to see the full meeting, please join me on Patreon. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Bye.